Today, we will be discussing ABCD technique to enable young learners to mentally multiply even big numbers with ease and confidence. This technique was developed and designed by yours truly in order for you to multiply fast but accurately. Tara, mga kids, multiply na tayo! We will multiply 12 by 34. The number on top is called multiplicand, and the number below the multiplicand is multiplier. The modified version of ABCD technique need not have the expanded form. All you have to remember are the place values of the multiplicand and the multiplier. Now, we will distribute the digits per letter. A gets 1, B gets 2, C gets 3, and D gets 4. Now, are you ready to solve mentally? Oh, let's start solving. Step number 1, find A and D. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Kindly remember the answer because it is needed on the next step. Step number 2, find BC. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Add 6 to the previous answer, which is 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And multiply it by 10 to make 100. Step number 3. Find BD. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Add this number to the previous answer. 8 plus 100 is equal to 108. Step number 4. Find AC. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Times 100 is equal to 300. Now, add the previous answer. 300 plus 108 is equal to 408. And now, we have the answer. 12 times 34 is equal to 408. Kindly take note of the pattern in multiplying 2 by 2-digit numbers. I would like to inform you that the original version of this modified ABCD technique is also uploaded in my channel. Isa rin sa mga dapat pag-aralan ng mga batang mag-aaral upang masanay sila sa mental math